Hello everyone, my name is Amarjit Kumar. I am a student of BSc IT first year. I am here to presenting my presentation on logical operator in C language. So let's start. What is logical operator? Logical operator in C are used to combine multiple conditions. Logical operators returns either 1 or 0. It depends on the expression result, that is true or false. In C programming, we use logical operator for decision making. Now, there are three types of logical operators. First is logical OR operator, second is logical and last one is logical NOT. So let's start with logical OR. The logical OR, the condition becomes true if any one of them is non-zero. Otherwise, it returns false, that is 0 as a value. There is an example here. Two conditions x and y, and the first is the conditions of x is false and the y condition the condition of y is also false. The logical OR operators returns 0, that means it is false, and the condition of x operator is false and the condition of y operator is true, then logical OR operator returns 1. That means there is one condition is true, so that's why it returns 1. Also same, there have a condition of x is 1 and another condition of y is 1. That means both of the conditions are true. That's why condition of logical operators also true. Next one is logical AND operators. Logical AND operator means the condition becomes true if and only both operands or conditions is non-zero. Otherwise, it returns false, that is 0 as a value. Here also is two conditions. First condition of x is false and the condition of y is also false, and logical AND operators returns 0. Let's start the practical on Dev C++. Here is an example of logical operator. In the first line of code is a preprocessor directive, and second is the second line of code is a main function of the this program, and then the body of the program, and in the body of program there have two variables. The first is a and second is b. Their data type is int. The value of a equal to -10 and b equal to 20. Here the if conditions, first condition is a greater than 0 or operators and b greater than 0. Here the first in my program there are two conditions, that is a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0, and it is combined with the logical OR operator that are see in my program. Here any one conditions is true, then my output becomes then see my output. Here first of all, first condition is less than a is greater than 0. This is false, and b is greater than 0. This is true. Then overall their conditions is also true, because logical OR operators returns 1, and then any one conditions becomes true. Then see my outputs. Here Let us see. My first condition is false, but my second condition is true. So condition is true. Then is execute the my true condition. That is both or any one value are greater than 0. That are seen. Then my last topic is logical NOT operator. In logical NOT operator, if the condition is true, then the logical NOT operator will make it false, and it's vice versa. That is, here my condition is x. My condition is false but my logical NOT operators converted into true conditions, and next the logic there a condition of x becomes true, and then my logical NOT operator becomes its into false. Also we can see in program, we modify the program. In my program here, in my program, the value of a is, in my program conditions, a is greater than 0. It is false because my value of a is less than 0. That this condition becomes false. But the next condition is b is greater than 0. This condition is true, but here this condition becomes overall logical operator. With logical operator, its condition becomes true, but here logical NOT operator are included in my condition. That's why my overall program, my overall conditions becomes false. So let's execute my program and see my that's why both value are less than 0 because my logical NOT operators and that's all for my side. Thank you. If anyone have a question regarding to this topic, please ask. Please ask.
If can I take the decimal value or not in this your program?
Decimal value yes.
Then what we given the output?
Check it. In this program,
Yes.
where decimal value, then change the value, change the data type. Then we change the data type, and also when the condition becomes true, then their output is true. Overall our condition becomes false, then output is false. Here. There is my decimal. Here, we change the value of a with the decimal.
Execute fast.
Here, execute. So it is fine work.
Anybody else want to ask question?
The question was very simple. If you wanted to test for decimal value, only one thing was required to change the data type. That's it. And whether it is a data type of int, float, or whatever, logical operator will perform their own job. Okay. Anyway, but this presentation is very good. Keep it up. Okay.
Thank you.